Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for a YouTuber to get recognized. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants grow and be seen on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance, and I truly do appreciate the thumbs up. All right, today I'm so excited. I received my flash sale order, which is absolutely fantastic. As you know, on my channel, I share with you guys all the time when, as soon as I know about something, I want to share it with you guys because I love being able to shop together. So I can share with you some of the products that I've had the opportunity to try, and then you guys in turn in the comments share with me ones that either you're enjoying as well or not enjoying as much, or ones that you think I should definitely keep my eyes open for in the next sale. So I love that we have this community together. Also, if you're not following me on True Wants on Instagram, my name there is True Wants with the number 2. You're truly missing out because I'm able to share there a lot of things that I don't have the time to share with you guys here. But also, when I finally do have time to sit down and do a video, I always share on Instagram the picture of everything that I received as well as the thumbnail of the YouTube video. So it's a good reminder if you missed out on something and you see it there, you'll know to come by and visit me here on YouTube. Also on Instagram, I also at the end of the month do these towers of everything that I purchased during the month or received during the month. And I also open it up and then I give you how the organization of everything laid out and things like that. Things that I can't share here because those are what our pictures are for, and that's to me what Instagram is great for. So like I said, make sure to be following me on True Wants with the number 2. That's my name on Instagram. All right, let's get started because when these little envelopes arrive in the middle of the month or at the end of the month, I know it's something that I purchased. So I'm so excited to get this. The other thing is with these pop-up sales and flash sales, a lot of times they have these 2 for $5s, like as if in the add-ons, they usually just have the $3 ones. So these 2 for $5s are always great because they put together some bundles that if it catches my eye, I grab it. They also, when they arrive in their own separate little baggies. So if you order more than one set, which I did, you would know which set goes with which. I also make notes for myself so that I can share with you guys what I got, and everything that I got, I'm pretty sure was in the 2 for $5s, but we'll go through that as we get there. All right, the first item that I ended up getting was from, it's a repeat for me that I wanted to make sure that I got a backup of, and I want to make sure to have the opportunity to share it with you guys also. So this bundle was the first bundle, and it is called the YC Collection, and they tied it up with the Benefit Cosmetics. That's what I wanted in this kit, but I'm always happy to try another product, and to get 2 for $5 to me is an absolute steal. So what it's marked here, it says make every hour magic hour with 4 glowing shadows and a spray to set them all day. So let's open up this YC Collection. It's a quad, which is fantastic. I always share with you guys how much I enjoy getting quads in that $3 section. So the fact that this was matched up with a product that I really wanted and I paid $5 for both blows my mind. So we'll do some swatching and see what this is all about. So they're saying this YC Collection eyeshadow quad is in Sun, ElAlba, Earth, and Peach, and it's a highly pigmented eyeshadow quad that has all your needs for sunset-inspired eye looks. The shadows blend and build so easily whether you are looking for a wash of color or a subtle smoky eye. Trust us, you'll be reaching for these versatile shades all season long. And that's what this looks like here. And let's do some, they feel very smooth. Have anybody tried this YC Collection? Please share with me down below because this is new to me. Wow. Okay, they are on my radar now. Look at that. Oh, that is beyond stunning. And you can see they went on so smooth, and there's still so much left on my fingers. That is unbelievable. This is now on my radar, and it should be on yours too. This is YC Collection, and I will be playing with that. And if you want to know any of my reviews, when I have an opportunity, I try very hard to film these, what I call MOTD videos. And you just go to the video on my page, there'll be a section that says video, type in the search bar MOTD, and any of my review videos are there. And what I do is literally from the primer all the way to the setting spray. I share with you everything on the look that's on my face that day. And it's usually when I'm reviewing a lot of the products. So that's where you'll hear a lot of my feedback. So make sure to look for those MOTD videos. So this setting spray, which is what started this whole 2 for $5, I'm so blown away that I bought it for this and I ended up with this, and I'm so excited about that now. Okay, this one is called their Porefessional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. It's a lightweight spray that instantly smooths and refreshes your skin. It blurs the look of pores. It mattifies excessive shine and microfine powders and locks your look into place for a full 16 hours. I am so blown away with this. This is a new product launch that started, I think, a couple of months ago with Benefits. This is the one that I have in my little arsenal area that I got in one of my bags. And I am loving this so much that when I saw an opportunity to get another one for $2.50, I wanted backup because that's how good this is. It is the finest mist, and it really sets the makeup nicely. And there's no like strong scent or anything. It's one that I highly recommend, and I truly believe that it is a good setting spray, as good as the all-nighters and all the other ones that I have in my arsenal. So really excited about that, and so happy that IPSY gives us the opportunity to try some new launches at such affordable prices. So if you missed out on this, getting this in your box, and you see this in the 2 for $5s or $3 section, to me that is a really good winner. And there's so much in here. I've been using it, and it also comes in the full box. So this is also nice, to do those little stocking stuffers or things like that, during holiday season. The next one was this is what started it off. And then the next one, I couldn't click fast enough. I usually, I do. I share with you guys first when it comes, as soon as I see it's live, I sit down and I go through everything with you guys. And I'm looking at the same time that I'm going through and sharing with you everything. And then after I film, I sit down and I do my shopping. Simply because it takes so long from the filming to then get into the upload, to then get into the YouTube. It takes hours. So I always want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on a lot of the information. So I always shop afterwards. So this one here is it came with this FARAH brush, but this is what I have been waiting for. This has been teased on Instagram for months now, and this is from Complex Culture, which, if you're familiar with my channel, I am so blown away with this brand. This brand, Complex Culture, is one of the newer brands. Their brushes are to die for. Their actual products that I started to use, from their loose setting powders to their blushes to their compacts, have blown me away. So when I saw that they were coming out with a concealer, and I'm a concealer lover, I could not wait. Finally, it showed up in some add-on section, but the color was too dark. This time in this flash sale, it was a color that I thought I'd be able to grab, and it came with a brush, and this was 2 for $5, which to me is beyond. So it says, touch-ups have never been easier thanks to the brush and skin perfecting concealer. This is a concealer brush that they put with it, which is their number 10F, which I'll open up and we'll look at. And then this is called the Let Up Concealer in a mini, and I got it in L200. I always like to go with a lighter concealer to help, brighten up the eye area, and then other, areas of my face, like the tip of my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my, in between my brows. I like to use concealer to brighten up. So this one here says, let's start with the concealer brush. This one says it is, like I said, 10F, like Frank. It says, brush is the new MVP of your brush stash. It's made with a densely packed synthetic bristle with a flat brush head for applying concealer anywhere, even tricky spots like under your eyes and around your nose, like a total pro. So let's open her up and see. I'm impressed with these FARAH brushes. This is what this looks like here. And I like that they have numbers, so I'm able to keep track of the ones that I have. And then that is what it looks like here. And that is fantastic. It can also, to me, be used as a shader brush, or if you guys do, the really fancy, cutting that they do with concealer on their eyeshadows and stuff, I think this would be a great size for that as well. And it is a firmly packed, which would make it easy to do all that. So really excited that they paired this with a concealer brush. And then this is the Complex Culture Let It Up Concealer Mini in L200. It's equal parts makeup and skincare. It's a good for you concealer that helps hide redness, breakouts, and dark circles and lightweight buildable pigments while moisturizing and protecting your skin with ceramides, antioxidants like vitamin C, all at the same time. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, there's a sticker on the back here, so I'm gonna just remove that. And let's see what the wand looks like. That's a really unique wand. Okay, that's what that looks like there. And let's just do a little bit, and ooh, okay. This is a fantastic color. It also went on very creamy, and it looks like it will definitely give you coverage. Really excited like this. Like I said, everything from Complex Culture has been absolutely blowing me away. So excited to get this. Could not wait for this package to arrive. All right, the next one I was a little on the fence about, and when it arrived, it was really tiny. And with skincare products, I really don't mind, you know, because I get to really test the products out. You'll never see results in the $3 or $2 for $5 section when it comes to skincare, but you will be able to see if your skin likes it and if you like the product before it becomes a choice item in the larger section. But I was excited to have the opportunity to try this product from Pretty Vulgar, and this is supposed to be their Undercover Concealer. So I wanted to try that, and I'll definitely swatch it right beside the other one. And then it came paired with this item here, which is a new brand to me. And like I said, if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share it in the comments down below because these are all new to me. So this one is called the Clarria and Pretty Vulgar Prime and Conceal Duo in Light. I paid, like I said, $5 for this pair. And it says, set your makeup up to last and look gorgeous all day. The Clarria Cosmetics is a tinted primer in light, and the Undercover Concealer is in number 60. And they're saying, okay, the Clarria Primer in Light is a neutral beige primer that's the perfect base for your makeup to grip onto and last all day. Plus, it helps refine your pores for a super smooth finish. And that's what this looks like here. And let's see, yeah, there's a safety seal on here. And let's see if I can take this off. Yeah, okay, we got lucky. That's there. Whoop, ooh, very watery, like beyond watery, like it's dripping all over my paper, watery, and I'm wearing white. So let's try that again. So I'm gonna do a little, you can hear, hopefully, how much, this is so liquidy. I've never had a primer that was this liquidy. Let's see again, yeah, very liquidy. Yeah, beyond. Okay, I'm gonna try to, no, I can't even lift it. That's what it looks like there. Very watery. I'll definitely try it on my skin, but it looks like it leaves a nice little tint, but it is literally all over my paper. Like it literally pours out like water. So not impressed on first impression, but it's more important of what it looks like on the skin, and on the skin it looks great. You just have to know, you know, how to use the product. So let me just wipe up a little bit because like I said, it's always when I'm wearing white that this ends up happening. All right, and then the next one is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer in number 60. It said it checks all the right boxes. It has a lightweight serum-like texture, provides medium coverage, that's buildable, blendable, and looks like second skin that lasts hours without creasing or fading. So let's open her up. And there's even a little safety seal on this one as well, which I know is important to so many girls, but it's always so hard to open up these little safety seals. So let's see if we, oh, okay, lucky, there we go. And I'm gonna put it right beside the other one so we can just see the differences between the two. I like better when they come out in the wand, but now that I have the extra little concealer brush, I shouldn't complain because I'll be able to play with that as well. And then that's the color of the Pretty Vulgar, and that's the Complex Culture one right there. So it looks beautiful, and it also looks like it's very opaque as well. So I think that was a good choice. But like I said, the item that they paired it up with, I wasn't that familiar with, and I'm shocked how watery this is. So if you're familiar with this brand, Clarria, please share it in the comments down below. And everything else that I showed you, if you've had the opportunity to use it and enjoy it, please share with me in the comments down below. And that's everything for today. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.